Hey guys, what are you working on?
Photosynthesis.
What's photosynthesis?
You don't know what photosynthesis is?
Not really.
Photosynthesis. Do you know what it is?
Photosynthesis. Do you know what it is? Well, photosynthesis is something all living things depend on for life. All living things depend on organic molecules synthesized by plants as a result of photosynthesis.
It's a conversion of light energy into chemical energy. The energy source is sunlight, like a solar flight, with initial substrates, carbon dioxide, and water. If this was a prez, it would be a new world order. Its end products are oxygen and energy containing carbs such as
glucose, sucrose, and I can't forget starch. It's a complex process that occurs in plants, algae, and of course bacteria. So being without it would cause some mass hysteria. Its process is one of the most important pathways, so why hate on photosynthesis? It's keeping you safe.
Photosynthesis, you know what it is. Photosynthesis requires sunlight and always uses carbon dioxide and water. First, light hits the plant and converts it into chemical energies and stores it in bonds of sugar.
Starts in the chloroplast using green pigment called chlorophyll. It occurs in plant leaves and middle to none in plant stems. Plant leaves include upper and lower epidermis, mesophyll, veins, and stomates.
Upper and lower epidermal cells don't have these chloroplasts. That means they are the protectors of the leaves.
Stomates are holes which are for air exchange. Takes in CO2 and lets out O2.
O2.
Veins are the plant's transportation system, moving waters and nutrients all over the plant. And guess what the mesophyll is?
This is where photosynthesis occurs. The equation for photosynthesis to make them glucose is 6CO2 plus 6H2O converts to energy. Energy to C6H12O6 plus 6O2.
Remember, photosynthesis is something all living things depend on for life. All living things depend on organic molecules synthesized by plants as a result of photosynthesis.
However, photosynthesis doesn't always require light and water. There are two different reactions. Only light-dependent reactions need light and water to occur, and light-independent doesn't need either. Now let's review. 6 to the C to the O to the 2, carbon dioxide taken from you. 6 to the H to the 2 to the O, plants absorb water from the roots below.
Then comes energy from the sun, but that ain't all. The process isn't done. C6 to the H12 to the O times C6 sugar from plants to get their fix.
Then comes 6 to the O to the 2, oxygen released back
Into the atmosphere
for you. Now do you get it? 6 to the C to the O to the 2, carbon dioxide taken from you.
6 to the H to the T to the O, plants absorb water from the roots below.
Then comes energy from the sun, but that ain't all. The process isn't done. C6 to the H to the 12 to O times 6, sugar from plants to get their fix.
Then comes 6 to the O to the 2, oxygen released back into
The atmosphere for you.